go. Interesting. Welcome to another market Monday open analysis, man. Now, we won't waste a lot of time. As you know, we had a very good weekend. For me, I had a good weekend. I would say their made money came back. So I will have to go state the charts. I'm not going to waste time. As usual, you know where we begin, man. It's so global news, man. And in the news, I think finally, you can say finally, there's hope that the war is coming to an end. Finally, there's hope because our mediator, Trump calls for restraints after Israel strikes Beirut suburbs. I don't understand what's wrong with Israel, but as you can see that 53 minutes, Al Jazeera said Iran will live. Trump says Iran deal so close, urges calm in Lebanon. Now, meanwhile, Israel is still striking Lebanon. I don't know what is happening with Israel, but there is hope that this war is going to come to an end, which will be very good, as you know, war is never good anywhere, US has a lot of things going on, and the way they are calm and all these situations, bro, it's very interesting. So we have UK, UK. Wait. It's called Shadow Fleet. For those who know Shadow Fleets, Shadow Fleet in UK waters. As you know, Russia has so many sanctions, and it can't transport oil with its own. It won't transport oil or any other type of cargoes with ships bearing their flag, so they have to use shadow fleets. And UK intercepted one. It's an oil tanker in English waters, but I know that will bring a shaky relationship between between Russia and UK. Right now, I think UK has the power and the strength to control the situation, but after a while, I know Russia will have to respond. After all, it's a shadow fleet, so they can't legally say it's theirs, but they have to control the narrative. So, as you know, this will bring tension and disaster within those two countries unless a peace negotiation is done. But I know they will be able to deal with it. So finally, the World Cup has begun. The World Cup. This is a very big thing not to cover. I'm not a football fan, but the World Cup has finally begun. You can see. I don't know what these are. I know nothing about football. I won't lie. But as you can see, FIFA World Cup 2026. So we are trading in a World Cup session, man. Our first World Cup where we are traders. So that's all in our news update. So let's go straight to the charts. Today I'm off. I don't know why that I'll be back. So let's begin with our usual suspect, that is gold. As you can see, gold closed very bullish, and it was a very good sign because it was dropping big time, man. I thought gold was going to come back to 3,000 levels, but it's not out of danger yet. So unless bulls take control of this bear market in gold, things are going to change. So remember, I said I'm working on different strategies because I will start live streaming, and when I'm live streaming, there's no way we are going to be swing trading. And as you can see, swing trades are not very good in this market. So I'm going to be very observant and keen. So as you can see, the market closed there. Okay, this is the resistance. The market created a resistance here. So we are going to see if it's going to respect that resistance and come back to the support or break it. So after the break, we can take few pip trades. I said I will be live streaming, so I'll have to be scalping with you. I can't be swing trading, so we'll be waiting for this setup here. Few pips. few pips. So that could be a very good setup. That is if it breaks, okay? Because as you can see, it did not respect this level, okay? This was a good sell setup for being formed, but suddenly a very strong bull candle came into the picture and changed the whole direction and trajectory of the market. As you can see, these are 47 levels, so I don't know if gold is going to go up or down. So this is what I'm waiting for. If a good confirmation is given by the market, I will short here, okay? I will short here. Very good setup there, you can see, okay? 1:5, and this one, the other one is 1:3.94, so that's 1:4 roughly. So that's what I'm waiting on gold. Nothing much. This is the scalping that I will be doing, so I will have to wait for setup to be given. I'll have to wait for setup to be presented. But overall, when it comes to our swing trade, we'll be very careful, okay? Yes. So the next one is BTC. BTC broke this level, broke this resistance, but it's within this zone. Remember, BTC has been bullish. As you all know, I had a setup in BTC which I was supposed to take, but I did not take. But the market went to a direction. So there we go. I'll have to wait and observe and see how it's going to behave here. If it breaks, remember, we're going to do the same thing. Okay, short, okay, few pips in and out, okay. But if it breaks, that's a very good long, okay. But remember, we go with the market direction. So for me, because BTC currently is bullish, I'll be doing mostly longs, okay. I'll be very aggressive on longs and very cautious on shorts, okay. So that's all. And on oil, I'm not going to do any analysis, because if that deal is reached, these prices of oil are going to dump big time. If that deal is reached, okay, because they are saying that the mediators are saying that the deal can be reached very soon. Trump is saying the same thing we have seen with the news. If that deal is reached, bro, the market will not respect any level. I know oil is going to fall big time, big time. So that's all. Let's go to USD. I said USD will be observing it very carefully, because I have been burnt by it. I don't like to joke with things that have burnt me once. So currently it's not respecting my trading strategy, and I don't know what trading strategy it's respecting. It has very long wicks, and it's not respecting the structure. So I'll be observing and looking at how it's going to behave. Overall, that's all we have in our trading analysis today. So let's have a profitable week, and let's meet in the next video. I'm starting to stream, so we will be meeting very many times to come right now, okay?